Kakaligo ko lang, kaya hindi na ako bini. Pero, yung gusto kong sabihin ngayon is, yung, loading na naman ako. Yung talaga, yung gusto kong sabihin ngayon is, kung meron kang gustong gawin, like in public places, you wanna do something there, like film yourself or dance. Kung gusto mong gawin yun, tapos natatakot ka na baka ma-judge ka ng mga tao, then you're clearly missing out. Cause kung gawin mo man yun o hindi mo gawin, ma-judge ka pa rin ng mga tao. And that's crazy, but that's the reality. Like, kung meron kang gagawin o kung wala ka rin gagawin, may masasabi at masasabi yung mga tao. So, this is just a message na kung meron kang gustong simulan and other people's judgment are stopping you from doing so, then this is a message. This is clearly a sign, bro. Just do it. Cause I'm literally doing this, bro. Like, I had no idea what I'm doing and I don't care sa mga sasabihin ng ibang tao, bro. That's it.